already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful, easy and simple hairstyle that you can rock to work or to school or actually to anywhere. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. And also I want to let you guys know that I'll be uploading different types of hairstyles on this channel, on different types of hair textures. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, make sure you're subscribed. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me whenever I upload a new video. And also like my video, comment, do all those good stuff. Share my video with family, friends and your buddies. Without any further ado, let's get started. I already did my parting off camera and I tried to do the triangle parting. As you can see, my parts are not the best, but I tried. And I have these two hair that I parted beside my hairs and I'll be plaiting it forward. Guys, plaiting your hair forward by yourself is not easy. I was struggling, really struggling to do this cornrow, but I did it anyways.
She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse.
And guys, as I've said earlier in my intro, I'll be making different types of hairstyles on different types of hair textures, be it 1A, 1B, 2C to 20Z. It doesn't matter, hair is hair and all hair is good hair.
Dreams, honest and true, wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for.
So after I was done with the cornrows, I started putting my hair in braids. I'll put the rest of my hair in braids. And when I was done plaiting the hair, I just start to wrap the hair around like so. It's very easy and it is even self-explanatory. So like so, I make sure to go around until I don't have any hair in my hand anymore. You can actually follow along by just watching the video. The hair is really self-explanatory. And also I want to say one other thing. If you don't want to plait the braiding hair all the way down, you can go ahead and do that. You just plait the braiding hair up to where your hair stops, then you wrap it around. That is if you don't want to wear it for more than 1 week. But if you're planning to wear it for more than 1 week, say 1 week and few days or 2 weeks, you want to braid the hair all the way down. And that is what I'll be doing here. I'll braid the hair all the way down and then wrap it around.
honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
I also want to let you guys know that the way you do your braids for bantu knots is different from the way you do your braids for regular braiding hair, because these bantu knots shouldn't be tight, because if it's tight, oh my god, you feel sorry for yourself. Your head will hurt so much and you don't want that. So you should make sure to braid your hair loose. In fact, don't braid it tight at all, because when you start wrapping around, it becomes tighter. And if you already braid your hair tight, oh my god, your head will hurt so bad, and I'm sure nobody wants that. So be careful while doing your braids for bantu knots. Make sure to braid the hair loose, and then while wrapping around, you make it tight a little bit. And if the hair is too tight while wrapping, I'll show you very soon how you loosen it if the hair is too tight. So when I was done braiding, I went ahead to wrap around, and I'm zooming in so that you guys will see how I'm doing it. You wrap and you hold it down, you use your hand to secure, and you just wrap around like that. And if the hair is too tight, like mine, this particular one was tight, so I had to loosen it, and I just like twist it back. I hope you guys can see it like that. Yeah, just do it like that to loosen it if it's too tight.
Back for love. Oh, I fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun and back for her. Oh, I go a thousand to collapse there in her arms. Oh, I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. A thousand wars to collapse there in her arms. There, to the sun and back. Oh, in a thousand wars to collapse there. Oh, don't let me down with you, baby. With you, baby. I'm dying with you, baby. A thousand wars to collapse there in her arms. Because my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world.
So when I was done with my hair, I went ahead to accessorize it with a few beads, and yeah, that's it, guys. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
So why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my